Camping in the rainforest.
Huh?
And it's raining. Good thing we got this covered. It's been raining for like 10 minutes now.
Dabbing.
Dabs. In the rainforest.
I'm so jelly of the dabs.
I know.
Let's go over.
It's been like 9 days without dabs.
Yeah, did you fart again?
No, that wasn't me this time.
It's you.
I probably still smell.
It's just me next to you.
Yes, because I smell still.
I gotta back up.
Gotta hear this rain.
Cause
It's raining
go
hardcore
away.
because we're in the
Come back
rainforest.
another day.
We're hoping that our fire will stay.
It's fire soup.
We're gonna cuddle tonight.
Yeah.
We got a tent. It's the coolest tent.
Probably. The sides are all gonna be wet.
We're gonna be fine. We're gonna snuggle. We have our beds in the middle, so we're not wet on the sides. We got towels. We're gonna spend the day here tomorrow, and it should be nice and warm.
Yeah. Man.
It's rain. We did it. We came to the rainforest.
Yeah. It's a rainforest.
It's a rainforest. Well, and I knew it was gonna rain, but it's supposed to be chill later. Later. It's gonna. I mean, this honestly
Chill is
might
good,
last
though.
like a half an hour.
This is lasting all night.
We're gonna be in here the whole night.
It's okay. We can go in the tent and cuddle.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, your baby's cold. I have a.
It is up there, right?
Yeah. Oh, there's so much fog.
Babe, look at this. Oh yeah.
So cold you can see her breath. So much fog from that rain. Oh, we still got flame. Look at that. There's flame in there. We still got fire, you guys. We're good.
There's still fire.
There's still fire. We got a puddle around our fire. I love it.
And if it will be
I love it.
completely rejected. What are you doing, Janelle?
Pardon. What? Oh, I'm recording us. I'm actually recording us right now. Like
Like it's an actual recording, guys. You
Like-
don't even know.
we're recording this right now. Oh, your baby's cold. I have a fleece blanket in there you can wrap him up in.
There's 2 seconds. I tried to follow
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, wait a second. Isn't this computer data being sent?
Henry,
I know this because we're on autopilot.
here, come here.